Welcome back to the social science lecture, students. Already we have seen almost 90% syllabus of social science. Only few chapters are left, but still we have to see many chapters of the social science uh, and the important topics related to social science. Today we'll again start with the chapter first. What kind of question can be asked? What are the important points and the segments? So, welcome back to the geography lecture, the chapter first of the geography. Again, I am repeating this chapter. So, in this chapter, what we have? We have the location of India, we have the physical properties of India, we have almost the important topics of the geography of India and geomorphological location of India. So let's deal. India is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere as shown in the figure that is explained in your textbook. Northern hemisphere, the northernmost part of the world. hmm? India is completely lying in the northern hemisphere. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north up to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer, the question I asked in the exam. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 minute north, divides India into almost two equal parts. Now let's discuss about the size of India. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. So this is a kind of fill in the blank question, that dash dash degree dash dash percent of the total geographical area of the world India accounts. And according to the area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. The first that we had is the Russia, then Canada, then China. We have seen that sequence properly. India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometers. The same question you faced in the exam. India is having 15,200 kilometer land boundary, the as its territory. The total length of the coastline of the mainland is 7,516.6 kilometer, including Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. So 7,516.6 kilometer is the total coastline of the mainland of India, and it is including the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. India is bounded by the mountains in the northwest, north and northeast, south of about 22 degree north latitude. It begins to taper the extent towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. So these are the two important topics that we discussed. Time along the standard meridian of India. Time along the standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and is taken as the standard time for India. You have map in your textbook. Go for it. The extent of India and the standard meridian explained in the map. India and the world. The next and the most important topic we have. The Indian landmass has central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension. You will be asked. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes connects that. Countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. India, India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages. The spices, muslin, or the merchandises were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of domes and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of India. So this is the important fact that we have here, different parts of India. India's neighbors. Let's discuss. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Myanmar, Bangladesh in the east, the the southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. India has had strong historical links with her neighbors. So this is how, students, we have discussed about the first chapter of the geography. From today we'll deal with the different topics of the geography. The first one, the most important, the very first chapter of the geography we discussed in this lecture, and we have seen the geographical extent of India, the latitudinal extent of India, the longitudinal extent of India, and the Pakistan related the all other neighbors we have seen, and we have seen the basic important points related to India in our topic. And I hope you are dealing with the chapter, and you are seeing it seeing this chapter. It's very important chapter for as per exam point of view. So again I am discussing here a very important point according to exam. You might have heard about the reduced syllabus. You will get notification, but I am going to teach all the chapters that we have in the social science. We have done almost 90% syllabus of social science. We explained that in detail. We have seen the details regarding it. We have seen map skills also through the video lectures. You may go to the YouTube and you can watch out it again if you would like to watch. But the very important topic that I would like to discuss is uh, India India's India's extension. So today I am giving you a homework that find out all the states that are presented in India, their capitals, their areas, and their their population and their sex ratio. Hmm? So remember the topics: India's all the states, their capitals, their population, and their sex ratio.